Can I prop this camera up in the corner or something?
What's up? Yeah, whatever you want to do. You want to put it right there?
Oh, this is working? Fuck yeah, alright. I don't know.
Where is...
Damn, look at all these people. Are we doing the I know. Just fucking around. Yeah, hot dogs, beers, and trade flips. Alright, let me do this. Alright, everyone. Fucking A, damn it. The rules are, you start with the hot dog, you go to the beer, you trade flip, and then you do it all over again. Once you're done, I'm gonna need to find, how many are we? 8. I'm gonna find 8 people to track each person, and then you get a little cross off on your front or your back. First person to hit 9 gets $999 courtesy of Element Skateboards. And I don't know how that worked out, but it did. And what else is there? Things still cut now?
It's gotta be hot dog,
What's the crowd think?
Beer, hot dog, beer. Beer, hot dog. Hot dog, beer, then hot dog.
If you throw up, probably better to do it in that zone, but if you're trying to, there's no more sign-ups because we already have too many people, but we appreciate the enthusiasm and the health hazard. What do you guys think? Hold on, let's line up everybody. Everybody get a spot. Everybody get a spot. Everyone get a little spot.
So it's hot dog.
Whatever your preference is.
Trade flip gets last.
Where's he at?
I got it.
The order doesn't matter, guys. It's 1 hot dog, 1 beer, 1 tray flip. You can't move on to the next hot dog or beer before you do the tray flip. Got it? So 1, 1, 1, restart. You got 9 rounds. Pace yourself, don't pace yourself. We don't give a fuck. Puke, don't puke. I don't care. All you want. Let's get going.
Contestant photo. Wait, quick. Gotta get in there. At least you get a hot dog. Get one quick.
Let's fucking go, bro.
This will be your sixth Lizzie.
Got this.
How you feeling?
Good. Mentally strong. Everything else, my bill of health will be real bad. I need $1,000. High five, baby.
That almost made me.
This is red money, guys. Pay your rent.
Give me that later. Shit got y'all stuck. Slowing down. Yeah. But they're going cool.
Take him up, he's good to go.
You're a low-key burner. We like your style.
Yeah, he's cruising. You're kind of
Yo, look at this.
This is where boys become.
Yeah.
He pulled that out.
Yo, they're coming back. They're coming back. You're crushing low key. You're fucking tank, baby.
He's waxing the ledge for us.
Yeah! That's exactly what I needed to. I missed it first time he did that.
This is the hot zone, dude. If you're looking for like the perfect fucking hijinks. Cheers.
Shit. Oh, bro got a whole bomb set up.
Yeah, this is where it's happening.
Hell yeah. Yo, Daniel. What's good? Hey, how you doing? Nice to see you. Nice to see you too.
Jump it up again.
Locked in, son. Post it up. He's paying rent this month.
Cut the fucking check!
Oh, wait, who has only one? Oh! You did too?
Cut the fucking check! You got that shit!
I love this. This is so sick.
Oh God, I'm struggling.
I know, bro.
We got somebody sneaking out!
Where's Gnarly Charlie?
Off that track.
There's 9 dogs on that table, I see!
We got a sleeper coming up.
Bro literally has one left.
I think they're just grabbing from wherever.
Okay,
He's got that.
Shit, he's tied up!
Big body, big body.
Is it actually?
He's tied up.
Oh, what?
Since when? I don't know.
He's wetting those straight looks up.
We got 2 dogs, $2,000. 2 dogs, 2 beers. Stop it.
Yo, you gotta start shotgunning him, bro. You gotta start pounding him. It don't even matter at this point. It's neck and neck.
Go, Trey!
This fucking hot dog.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is what talent looks like.
Respect.
Recycling the hot dog.
Yeah, I don't know. I'm just gonna drink 9 beers.
You get part of it done.
Balls are hot. The hot dogs are cold.
You got it.
You got it next seat.
You get the tray?
No, not yet. Still chewing.
You okay?
This is insane. It's neck and neck. There's 2 left.
Wait, it's him and the other tall guy in the tank? Yeah.
Yeah, or where did he go? I've been at that point before. It's not fun.
He's gonna get it right.
He's close. He's too close to not get it.
This is it.
Yeah, wait. It's empty. Fucking empty. Yeah. Right here, Trent. Slow and steady, baby. Slow and steady. Absolute savage. Go. Slow and steady. Get that money. Let's fucking go.
Oh, he took the glizzy down from behind.
Pause.
Give him room. Now go.
Finish the hot dog.
It's right there, Trent. Finish up.
Finish it. They violated.
Savages, bro.
Yeah. Holy shit. That's a wrap. That's a wrap. What do you want to do? Whatever you want. What's your favorite trick? Yeah. Say it for the front row. There. Oh! Dude, you make it look too easy.
Next I gotta do front crook. I need a long ledge.
Front crook, let's do 5 for 5.
Fuck, fuck.
Yo,
That's
back
gonna be
to back.
riskier. I need like, I have another bong in my car and it's like, I gotta back up now. The Jody Land, like Supreme Patty sent me it, I gotta like make it. What do you want?
Supreme Patty, geez.
Yeah, the bongs in my car that he sent back to you. I know, that's why I was gonna say how many bowls have you smoked today? Oh, a lot. Dude, you're too good at this. I just want to dab though. I want to someone doing El Toro, like, yeah, it's fine. What else can we do? Go up and down the rail. What rail? Yeah,
do it first. Bro, I haven't 50 to rail in Dome. I work. I have a job now. Bro, I haven't 50 anything in like Dome long. He's not bad. I can't even take this out. I have to like walk
It should say 9.
I'll try it.
That was the first try. Dude, first try 50 both ways. He got it? Yeah. He was like, I haven't skated in a while. I don't skate no more. I haven't done 50 in a while. He just did it.